So today we're making 花卷, the Chinese green onion bun. It's similar to pork bun, flour buns, but the only difference is the way they're making it. So the process of making dough is the same. You need the yeast, and you can check out my other video, the video that had a pork bun. Shows that it's the same process of making dough. So I already made a dough, and actually this one has been sitting overnight. And other ingredient you need is oil. Obviously you need a lot of green onion. If you don't have it, you need these. Well, there are some people just eat it plain. That's okay. And then you have oil and salt and pepper. You see the brown stuff is actually, I kind of like stir the flour a little bit. What you do is just like a cup of flour, just put it on the pans and medium high heat, and just stir like down to lightly brown. The way people doing that, because it make actually, at least to me, make a filling taste a little better. I just made a Chinese pancake the other day. It tastes really good. Okay. So now trying to make a dough into square shape. This is my first time doing that. I find out how wide you're making the dough will be how big your bun will be. Just keep that in mind. So trying to make a square as much as possible and make this a little bit thin. And actually you don't need to make too thin because you need to stretch a little bit. I kind of made a little bit already. So it's kind of small, looking good. Alright, so first you do is put some oil on it. Sorry. Mix oil with salt, and this is cooked flour. If you don't have cooked flour, it's fine. But to me, make it taste better. And if you want to add some sesame oil, it's fine too. Okay. Most important part, green onion. But again, if you don't, there's a lot of flour bun doesn't have anything. You don't need to put salt, you don't need to put oil, you don't need to put I'm actually right now. Okay, and then fold this to about 1/3. Push down a little bit. Just put a little bit oil on the edge. Sometimes push down, so close it. Close the edge. Okay. There's some air in it, but just trying to like push it. Okay. And now you cut it. Okay. Just make sure it's not sticky. Oops. if you cut for beginner, if you cut a little bit wider, it's okay. It will be harder. Okay. Trying to make an even piece because we will have to stack them up. Should have put some flour down there. Okay. So I'm gonna use this part because this doesn't have a lot of flowers. Put on the stack on the top. And if you have a chopstick or any round, this is not really round object, just push down. But don't push too hard because it's gonna break. Okay, move some flowers. Something. And start from the first one. This one. So what we do is slightly stretch it. Just make sure but don't break it. The thicker part probably will stretch longer. And fold like this. Twist. Twist. That's a layer we want to see. I see some people do like this. You can twist like this. Twist, 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 twist. Like a twist. So there's a couple ways of doing that. This is prettier. Here. I'll make sure flower so it won't stick. Okay. Something. Twist, twist, twist. Chopstick. I don't know what's the English called. English is probably called twist bun. Kind of like pesos. More twist. Twist, twist, twist. Messy. It's getting easier. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's get ready for cooking. So what we're doing here is that we're doing second time waiting for is 2. So you have water, a pot, we have a bamboo steamer, and you wait for about 40 Celsius, and when the water getting warm enough, you actually turn off the heat and let it sit for 30 minutes. So let's sit for 30 minutes, then start cooking for another 15 minutes. Yummy!